Do you want to know how you can log out of your Frollo application? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Frollo app. So let's go ahead and start with the video. The first step is to open Frollo. After you open Frollo, make sure that you do have an account. So go ahead and secure your account, verify your account, and you can see that you are logged into your account. In order for you to log out, go ahead and click on settings, which you see on the top right hand corner of your screen. Then you can see logout. Go ahead and click on logout, and you can see that you'll need your username and password to log back in. Rather than log out, you can close your app and we'll secure it while you're gone. So, if you don't know your username and password, you should not log it out. But if you want to log out for some reasons, you can just click on yes logout, which you can see on the screen. So go ahead and click on yes logout, and there you go. This is how you easily log out from the Frollo app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.